Guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you 5 different ways to style your fur before seeing natural hair. First, you're gonna need bobby pins and you're also gonna need a hair tie. I got that from one of my old clothes. So taking down my protective style, I'm gonna show you what it looks like next. Then I'm gonna do the 5 different styles. Stay tuned. And please don't forget to subscribe and share and like and comment down below what style you like best. Hi guys, so this is what my hair looks like after taking down the protective style. For the first style, I'm gonna be flat twisting both sides of my hair to the opposite direction and then putting it in a puff. So for this next style, I'm gonna be doing kind of like a afro pop down. Yeah, so I'm just gonna be putting the top of my hair in a little puff and then fluffing the rest of my hair. the third style, I'm gonna be doing a mohawk and pinning the sides with bobby pins. For the fourth style, I'm gonna be having 2 flat twists to the side and pinning them down with the bobby pins. I'm sorry I lost the clip of what the style looks like afterwards. My bad. For the fifth style, I'm gonna be having a chunky flat twist in the front part of my hair and putting the rest in a puff. And as you can see at the end of this video, my hair was very shrunken. I was struggling to put it in a puff. Yeah, the struggle is real, and that's why I didn't moisturize my hair for this video. But still, it still got shrunken. But anyways, it's fine. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below what style was your favorite. Till then, see you next time. Bye.